Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 5. Nor do beings exist in reality in me. Behold, my divine yoga supporting all beings, but not dwelling in them. I am myself, the efficient cause of all beings.
Chapter 9, Shloka 5. न च मत्सानि भूतानि पश्य मे योगमैश्वरम् बोधप्रन्न च भूतस्थो ममात्मा भूतभावनः.
Chapter 9, Shloka 5. After describing superimposition as a relationless relationship between the infinite and the finite, a doubt may arise that there must be some sort of existence for the finite in the infinite. When the self looks out through the windows of the mind and intellect, it sees the hallucination of plurality. Because of the different levels of maturity the intellect has at different stages of its growth, the language of paradox becomes necessary to pull out the intellect from where it is stuck. Otherwise, it cannot progress further. The previous shloka declared, I dwell not in them, all beings exist in me. This shloka says, nor do things exist in me, which means that in the infinite never has the finite ever risen. Taking the example of the post and the ghost, as in the previous shloka, it is like the post declaring that in me the electric post never has a ghost existed. The previous declaration relates to before realization and the latter relates to post realization. On realizing the self in pure awareness, in its infinite nature of pure knowledge, there is no world of plurality. Just as for the waker, the dream world is not there. Plurality lasts only till the forgetfulness of the infinite. Earlier, the self supported both the totality and the individuality. The individual was in the total, but the total was not in the individual. Like the wave is in the ocean, but the ocean is not in the wave. The imperishable self is in the perishable plurality. Like the cotton in the cloth, the gold in all ornaments, or the heat in the fire. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.